Hello, this is your boy Miguel for the Mobile Mechanic 757. If you have a 2020 Nissan Altima and you want to know where the push button start is at, here's the steering wheel coming over to the radio. There's your push button right there. Also, a secret with Nissans: if your car decides it doesn't want to start because it's not reading your key and you know your key fob is dead, you're not going to start the car. So what you can do is, there's an antenna in this right here. All you have to do is take the key fob and just touch it, and when you push the car to start, as long as these two are touching, it will start. If you have it like this and you have a dead fob, it's not going to start. But if you have it like this, it will start. This works for all Nissans because now the antenna can read and tell the immobilizer there's the key. This is just a mechanic tip. This is a 2021 Nissan Altima. There's right by your shifter is the button, but all Nissans take the key fob and touch it. Actually, all cars. And there you go, the car will start. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave positive comments in the video description. Thank you.